Hello guys, and welcome to yet another vlog. Today we're focusing on my interior. From the day I bought the car, the interior was in a terrible condition. It has ripped seats, very dirty door panels, and faded everywhere. And furthermore, I'm driving with open windows most of the time, so all the dust goes in my car, so it's really dirty now, and interior needs to be addressed. In order to address the door panels and the cloth on them, which is ripped and is in awful condition, I bought some cloth to restitch it. The plan is to stitch it here, try to put back my A-pillar covers, and to do this trim here. I've never done this before, and it's gonna be a cool project to do and try to transform the car completely. Alright, to do this job we will need spray glue, chemical that will clean all the interior pieces. If you look here, this is James just tested it out here, and that's when it's dirty. You can see clearly the difference. This is like gray and this is kind of goldish color. Furthermore, you can see from this here, on the other side it's absolutely awful. James just touched it a bit. And to apply this and push it into the interior, we need the sponge, cloth to wipe it dry, and cloth. But the first thing, I have to clean up all this mess in here because it's absolutely terrible. There's so much stuff in here that it just needs to be cleaned, and clean all those doors, and I'll just start with getting rid of everything that just lays in the car. This is the chemical I'm using to clean my interior, and let's start with this door panel. Look at that, like it's gray everywhere. There's almost no dirt left in it, like it's not visible by the eyes at all. You see, like where I couldn't reach is black, and where it reached it's gray. To work a bit more on that area, but this stuff is perfect. Alright, now that I'm done cleaning my car up, like it looks magnificent, guys. Just like no dust, nothing, everything is black and gray, like it's incredible. I'm not sure if you can see it on the camera, but it's so good right now. It's lovely. Okay, this here, I'm waiting for bucket seats and I didn't hoover my car yet. But next step is to try to restitch this stuff here. Next step is to take out this door card, the passenger side, because it's the easiest one and it's going to be easier to wrap it than the driver's side, because driver's side has here like the side mirrors regulator. And yeah, let's get started of taking out this panel. So the door panel is out. Look how wide that is. So cool. Anyways, to take everything apart, you need to turn around and take all of these things out. I actually have no idea how to. As you can see, all these things here are broken, almost all of them. Which, if I have any, I'll try to find from my rear doors, which are in my basement. But let's just try to start figuring out how to take this out. Right, so as I realized, these things are rubberish, so I think I'll just cut them, and later on I'll have to find a way how I will make sure that it will not disintegrate when I'm going to be driving, but I'll just cut them and take the inner piece out. Alright, so that's how it looks now. Now it's just time to rip this stuff out and clean it up. So that's how we're looking now. There's most of the glue is out. I think it's good enough and it's pretty smooth. And right now I'm gonna try to cut the new cloth so I could start to wrap it. Right, I cut out size which should fit the trim, and now the most difficult and important part, to actually wrap it. You should wrap it from top to bottom, as I saw in the videos where they were reimpostering the door cards on the cars. Let's try. This is what I ended up getting. It's not perfect, but for the first time it's alright, I believe. Now I need to think how I'm gonna cut it and glue it on the other side so it will not get unstuck. I mean, it's not even some places, but also here I put a bit too much glue, but it's okay. It's the passenger side. This is why I did this one first, because like I don't care about the passengers. BMW is a driver's car, not passenger's car. Looks sick. Mr. Lily came to help me, and this is how it's gonna start to look like. Ah, fuck, wait, we forgot to put door handle. We forgot to put the door handle.
Which bit you need to put? This bit?
I need here, we'll take it out, bring the door handle. Alright guys, so more than a week has passed because I had a lot of things to do, and the day which you saw before we almost finished wrapping everything. You can see here, these ones are done. There's some glue here which is visible and didn't stick very well in here because I mean this fabric is not stretchy enough. From the back you can see how we managed to hide everything else. Like this is the first one, it's terrible. But on the second one, we did a better job because, first of all, I cut 1 centimeter from the ending parts, which means there's not so much fabric. For the holes, like when the fabric was here, I just cut crisscross pattern and I folded it in. These are door cards, which are still apart. And that day, we did the A-pillar. I messed up here, but at the same time I don't care anymore. Like I just want my interior to be done. Maybe someday if I'll have a left out fabric, I'm gonna fix it up, but for now I'm gonna just drive like this. And today plan is to put the door cards in with the fabrics, and for that we need silicone, because before you saw the clips that I broke down, they were in these holes. Those clips are let me find it here. James broke them all off because they just didn't go in. So we will try to use silicone to put it around here and just to stick those parts onto the door cards. These door cards were perfectly clean and now they're just dusty because they were just like on my balcony waiting for me to fix. So I need just to wipe them and put them in the car. Look at this, it's just all dust. Malaya. Alright, so let's start with driver's side panel. Actually, I forgot the thing. God damn it. Alright, to assemble the door panels, first of all I need to put this thing in. It was here before and it was like... It still had like very little room to move, and now I cannot even fit it in. I need to cut a bit more here in order to fit this side mirror regulator, which doesn't work to be honest, but it's better to have it here, so I need to cut a bit more space for it. Yes, it's in. Yeah, boy. All right, now it's in. Look at that. That's like factory, huh? Yes. Yes, here we go. That's how you fit the door handle. The door cards on the car. As you see, they're stuck. Oh fuck, there's a gap here. Never mind.
It's fine.
Exactly. It's just fine. Also, we went to Spanias and we got new clips. Like they actually make exactly clips I have on my car, brand new. So, so we've got them and now we have to install the door cards. Finally, like it's been 2 weeks I've been driving like this and I absolutely hate it.
Do you have these bits?
Yeah, of course we do.
Okay, cool.
All right. And BMW made it very difficult to put the door cards on when you have all the clips. All right, guys. So I'm driving with my beautiful interior, and there's only one more thing left to fix in it, and it's that little panel there. This one I'm talking about. And I believe as soon as I'm finishing that, the car interior will transform incredibly. Like it's gonna be day and night. Because right now, yes, you see the door cards, but you don't really notice them when you're driving. I've been searching for a lot of time to understand how you take out this panel, but as James Parker showed me from JSpot, it is as simple as that. All right, guys. So this is my original piece, but I remembered that half a year ago I went to the junkyard, and me and Nikita. Oh wait, say hello, Nikita. We found this glove box for free. Like we didn't actually pay anything. Junkyard just gave it to us. And in order not to mess up my plastic here, we will try to wrap this one.
No.
Don't tell me it's one piece. Are you fucking kidding me? It's one piece. It's actually one piece, motherfucker. Are you serious? Why BMW has so many different trim levels for the same bloody car? Well, without too much thinking, we tested it. Like, I had a little piece, I just wrapped it around, put it in, and it's stuck inside, so I guess it will work. Anyway, unplug it. Anyway, guys, let's start gluing it. Right, now it's time to spray with the glue. Anyways, try number 2. Leave it for 2 minutes. Anyway, now it's important. It's bent. It's done. What's done is done. Alright, that's what we ended up with. And Insta motherly. Oh fuck. Come on, get in there. Boy. What? Is it on? It's on, guys! I think we did it. Well, once again, it's not perfect, but if you're gonna be looking from far away, this is awesome. Anyway, guys, now I'm done doing this interior. It's time for you to view the B-roll shots of interior. Alright guys, I'm with Lee and James from James Spot, and I blew my axle once again. Fuck!